Welcome again to another live trading session with me and Market Potentials. Now I hope you're well, and for those of you who are new to the channel, we are basically in the midst of our 10-day binary option trading challenge. Today is day number 5. We started day number 1 making $100 in profit, and today's goal obviously is to make $500 in profit by trading. All right, and we're going to end day number 10 with a goal of making $1,000 in profit. All right, so if you're interested to see if this can be done, if this is right for you, then keep watching. I will show you exactly how we are going to try to get there. All right, it's a journey, and I very much appreciate if you'd like to join me on this. Just give the video a like, subscribe to the channel for further videos just like this in the future. All right, now jumping into it, as I said, the goal is to make $500 in profit. A pretty tall order. We are midway through our challenge at the moment. Now guys, for those of you who have no idea what's happening, basically you're looking at my live IQ option trading account. This is the primary tool I trade with, all this I think about 8 years now. The link to gain access to it, as well as all of the tools that I use to trade and make money, is down at the description box of the bottom of this video. So just go ahead, click, and you get instant access to it. You get immediate free access to a demo account if you want to just get a feel of the platform. And if you're ready to start trading with the real hard cold cash, it's just $10 to get started with a minimum deposit, which is super affordable, all right, regardless of where you're from in the world. Now, jumping into it, I'm actually looking at a few pairs at the moment, but this particular euro and the US dollar pair has caught my eye because it seems to be a bit more active than the other ones. Now, one of the, the riskiest time you want to be trading, shucks, I missed that. See, that's the thing sometimes when you're trying to talk and trade. But anyway, like I said, we're going to be trying to make $500 today by trading. Anyway, that doesn't matter. And so basically my initial investment is $600, all right, and I've got a profit margin of 86% here. So basically, with a $600 deposit, I stand to make 86% profit, or $516. Now that trade earlier, guy, that would have been successful if I just got in on time, but that's all right. That's one of the things that happens, I guess. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, this is a live trading account. Yeah, unfortunately, sometimes when I do talk and try to record these videos, I do miss out on some opportunities, but that's fine. We will just try to make some new ones. Let's try that one. All right, so I've put in $600 in this particular trade. Now we are entered into a binary option trade. You have to make a decision by the white line, guys. That's the purchase deadline, and the expiration time is the red line here. So as you can see, I put $600. I selected higher. That is all I did. I made 2 decisions. All right, I selected the amount of money to invest, and I chose higher or lower. That's it. All right, then you just gotta wait for the 30 seconds from the white line to the red line to see what is your expected outcome, and I think we are going to be in the money, and we are. All right, so that's $516 in profit. Okay, again, in profit. There is no cost to this. I put in $600, and I'm walking away with $516 in profit. Now this is as close as it can get to literally doubling your money every 30 seconds, okay? Because that's how long it took for me to do that, as you saw. Now let's look back and see why did I, jump into this trade. Like I said, I was actually looking at this particular pair, guys, the US dollar and the Japanese yen. But as you can see, there's a lot of this flattish kind of regions, which is not really the best times to trade. Okay, now as a beginner, you're very excited to jump into the first trade that you see that would likely earn you some money. I urge you not to, because that's one of the surest ways of you losing money, because always get into a trade when you are fairly confident of making money, or making it a profitable trade. I do this by looking at trends. Okay, I basically analyze trends, and I jump in when I see a potential for a trend reversal that's going to happen. All right, now for that to happen, you need movement. Okay, you need this kind of chart movement, up, down, up, down. the bigger the dip, the higher the increase. Now those are the times that is excellent to deploy this. Okay, so which is why I said this chart was a much easier and less riskier trade than that one earlier, which is why I was looking at this instead. Now, jumping into it, let's talk about why I did that. Now, as you saw, the chart at this point, the euro and the US dollar forex pair chart was on a downtrend. Okay, you can see that with the red candlestick here. Here it was fairly flat, indicated by the RSI as well. But there was a clue for me from both the candlesticks as well as the MACD, where you can see that the gap here was when it was widening, right? The red on top, as I said, that's the downtrend, and between the red and the blue line, which gives me an indication that it's leveling out. And looking at the past trends as well, I could see that there is a potential of it bumping up a little bit. It wasn't going to be much, I knew that, but I was prepared to take the risk that it was going to be enough to make the trade profitable, and true enough it was. Okay, so that's what I did. So I put in $600, and putting in $600 gave me an 86% return. So I'm walking away with $516 in profit, all because I got the direction of the trade right. I guessed it right, in that it's going to be higher in 30 seconds, and it did, and they paid me. That's it. All right, so that really is what binary option trading is all about, guys. Most people tend to overcomplicate it. I urge you not to. It's simple. Keep it simple. I stick to very basic technical indicators. For those of you who are looking at this channel wondering what is this stuff here, well, these are just technical indicators. This is what I use. These are the tools I use that is available for free on IK Option platform. Link down below for you to trade and analyze trades and choose profitable trades just like this, and walk away with hundreds of dollars every single day. All right. So let's talk a little bit about the technical indicators I am using. So for technical indicators, you're just going to come here, go down to, I believe they're all in the popular, because these are very common indicators, guys. There's a whole bunch of indicators here, guys. I literally, I don't know, maybe 50 or 60 of them. But as you can see, I'm only using 1, 2, 3. That's it. So the ones I'm using are Bollinger Bands, the MACD, and the RSI, okay? The relative strength indicator, MACD, and the Bollinger Bands. That's it. That's all I have here. See, as you can see, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands are basically this, you know, the red line, the orange line, and the yellow line, which kind of gives a bandwidth of the price movement. And obviously the green and red, these are known as candlesticks. That is what I get from here. Candles, you can choose any of this, but I just prefer the candlesticks. And yeah, that's literally all. As you can see, all the tools are there, and they are all for free. You don't have to pay for them once you sign up for the account down below, and you can get started immediately making returns like what I just did. Guys, I just want you to reflect, okay? We put in $600 today, all right? That was the initial investment, as you saw. Yeah, I literally took $600. I usually transfer funds in using my credit card, which is fine, or they've got various other transfer methods you can do as well, electronic transfers, etc. So I put in $600, and I'm walking away with $516 in profit, 86% ROI. Now, if anyone watching this video can tell me what earns me more than 86% return in 30 seconds, drop your comment down below, because I would love to hear about it. Okay, because I haven't, honestly guys, I haven't found anything like that. So yeah, I mean, try this out. It's simple as long as you know what you're doing. The only way that I can suggest for you, if you're serious about making some money online, is get started. All right, getting started with a free demo account costs absolutely nothing. Just try it out, get a feel for it, and see if it's going to work out for you. All right, so that concludes day number 5 of 10-day binary option trading challenge. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for the video, and I'll be back tomorrow with another trading session where we're going to be trying to make $600 in profit. All right, cheers guys, take care, bye.